When the reception began, in America, at weddings, we so often, it goes by so fast. And it's why we tell clients, have your wedding videoed, save the wedding documentary. It will go by so fast. And with this wedding, the pulse in the room was different. And I have now and since learned that that is the pulse of an Indian wedding. These guests were very present and very in the moment, and they weren't looking for what was going to happen 5 minutes from now, 10 minutes from now. They were completely immersed and present with what was happening around them right now. And what was so compelling was that this became infectious to all of the Western guests. I watched American guests enjoy a wedding to a greater degree than I had ever witnessed before, because we had the ability to keep them present rather than racing off to what's the next thing coming, the next thing coming.